How to use the Wells Fargo application for mobile deposit here on your device. How you can simply deposit a check on your mobile application on Wells Fargo. For this, I'm going to show you on the my PC all the steps regarding it so that you will get a better image for that. Now, in your phone, if you particularly want to simply scan a check or deposit a check to your account, this is how you can do it. Firstly, how mobile deposit works. This is the steps how you can do it. Download the Wells Fargo mobile app to your device, then sign into your account, then simply click on select deposit in the bottom bar or use the deposit checks option from the short menu. Now, I'm going to repeat the steps here. Sign in on your account, select deposit in the bottom bar or use a deposit check from the short menu in order to deposit any amount to your account. Now, this is how you can exactly do it. This is pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel as well.